Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, Endoscope, that's already kind of open. Stick around the box, plain box, has what it does, kind of take photos, videos, IP67, HD pixel, LED light, smart chip. The single lens, 5 meters. Okay, so we have different attachments. The lightning cable. This is only for iPhone. There's the camera. And we have instructions on how to use it. And that is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.